Good morning. This is a short video for the introductory course. I'd like to set the stage of where we're going. This week, you folks should be completing the first exam. And the way that's going to work is submit the exams, and when the deadline expires, which I believe is late in the day, Thursday, then the Blackboard platform automatically grades, and you'll be able to see how you did. I will then do a video going over the questions and explaining how the right answers have been reached. But our next unit of study, if I can call it that, is the sources of the law. And I'll be putting up a posting, I think, later today, and we'll be doing more videos as we go forward on the different parts of the posting. But for now, what we could say is that every rule of law, at least in the United States, can be traced to one of five sources. Comes or can come from the Constitution, it could come from the legislature, it could come from the executive, it could come from the administrative branch, and quite likely it could come from the judicial branch. Maybe one of the counterintuitive points we're going to make is that judges make legal rules. And it could be argued that in our system of government, at least as it's currently constituted, judges are the most powerful lawmakers. Some of us might say, too, at least at the highest level, judges are not only the most powerful lawmakers, but that their power is essentially unchecked, which, of course, we see played out when we look at the controversy over appointments to the United States Supreme Court. But let me just try to bring this down to earth, this topic down to earth a little bit. What I'm trying to get across is that the material we're doing isn't intended to be at all scholarly. When the rubber meets the road in a law practice, I think essentially litigation, but certainly we look at legal rules when we're representing clients in transactions or helping lawyers representing clients in litigation or transactions. We're constantly looking at legal rules. I think that in my law practice, there's probably not a week that goes by that I'm not doing at least a little bit of legal research, because to adequately represent the client, I've got to make certain I know what the legal rule is, or the legal rules are governing whatever situation I may be in. It could be transactional, it could be a litigation type of matter, or simply to give a client advice. So I will be, again, referring to these rules in greater detail in the videos that follow, but I just wanted to do this setup. And I might add, finally, that this material is, you should know by now, isn't part of the first exam. We'll be picking up this material in a future evaluation.